This video will review the meaning of the equals sign and compare this to the meaning of another symbol that means is not equal to. In previous videos, we've looked at this symbol here, which means is equal to. In this video, we're going to explore this symbol here, which means is not equal to. The symbol seems to make sense because it looks like an equal sign, but it has a line through it, so is not equal to. We've seen previously that the equals sign is a symbol that represents an equivalent relationship. This means that the value of whatever is on one side of the equals sign is the same value as whatever is on the other side of the equals sign. The is not equals to symbol is a symbol that means the value of whatever is on one side of the equals sign is not the same value as whatever is on the other side of the equals sign. We'll look at a few examples here. We've seen in a previous video equations like this, 6 equals 6. This equation is true because we're just saying that 6 has the same value as 6, or 6 is equal to 6. But what if you were comparing two quantities like this? On the left we've got 5, and on the right we've got 6. Do these two have the same value? They don't, so they are not equal. We can show this relationship like this. 5 is not equal to 6. What if we look at a situation where two children, Jenny and Michael, have some sweets, and we want to compare them to see if they have the same amount? Jenny has 5 red sweets and 2 purple sweets. Michael has 7 orange sweets. We're comparing the number of sweets that Jenny has with the number of sweets that Michael has. If they have the same amount, we say they are equal. They have the same value. But if they're different, then we say they are not equal. They do not have the same value. If we look at Jenny's sweets, we can see that 5 plus 2 gives a total of 7. So Jenny has 7 sweets altogether. This is the same number of sweets as Michael. It's just that Jenny's are different colours. So this means that the two groups are equal, and we can show this by using an equals sign. 5 plus 2 equals 7. What if Jenny had eaten 2 of her sweets? So when we look at what she's got now, we see 3 red sweets and 2 purple sweets. Michael hasn't eaten any of his, so he still has 7 orange sweets. We're comparing the number of sweets that Jenny has with the number of sweets that Michael has. If they have the same amount, we say they are equal. They have the same value. But if they have different amounts, then we say they are not equal. They do not have the same value. If we look at Jenny's sweets, we can see that 3 plus 2 gives a total of 5. So Jenny has 5 sweets in total. And we already worked out the total of Michael's sweets. That was 7. So do they have the same amount? They do not. The number of sweets Jenny has is not equal to the number of sweets that Michael has. So we say 3 plus 2 is not equal to 7. What about this situation? If this piece here has a value of 9, and these pieces here have a value of 4 and 5, is the quantity on the left the same value as the quantity on the right? Well, we know that this piece here has a value of 9. On the right, we've got 4 plus 5. The total of 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So yes, the left side of the equation has the same value as the right side of the equation. So we can say that 9 is equal to 4 plus 5. What if the pieces were slightly different? Let's imagine we had 9 on the left and 4 plus 4 on the right. Is the left side equal to the right side? Well, the total value of 4 plus 4 is 8. This is less than 9, which means these are not equal. So we can show this relationship like this. 9 is not equal to 4 plus 4. Hopefully that's given you a bit more of an understanding about the meaning of both the equal sign, which we use to show when two things have the same value, and the is not equal to sign, which we use to show when two sets are not equal to one another.